Is your Acer Chromebook CB3's keyboard malfunctioning? Are letter, number, or arrow keys unresponsive or sticky? This video provides a step-by-step guide to repairing or replacing those faulty keys. We'll cover common issues, necessary tools, and safe repair techniques. Remember to proceed carefully to avoid further damage. Note that this video focuses on DIY repairs, given the age of the CB3 model and limited official support. The Acer Chromebook CB3 uses a membrane keyboard design, consisting of layered membranes that register key presses. This design makes it susceptible to common issues like dust accumulation, liquid spills, and general wear over time. Common symptoms include unresponsive keys, double typing, and keys that stick when pressed. We'll focus on repairing letter and number keys, which are frequently affected. The arrow keys are often more complicated due to their proximity to the touchpad. Before starting the repair, gather the necessary tools to ensure a smooth process and avoid damage. A Phillips screwdriver set is essential for removing the screws that secure the laptop's bottom panel. Plastic opening tools, also called spudgers, help pry open the laptop case without scratching or damaging the plastic. An anti-static wrist strap grounds you to prevent static electricity from damaging sensitive electronic components. Replacement keycaps must be model-specific for the Acer Chromebook CB3, such as part number 50.11701, to ensure proper fit and function. Compressed air helps clean dust and debris from the keyboard area before and during the repair process. Having these tools ready will streamline the repair process and minimize the risk of damage. First, power off your Chromebook and, if possible, remove the battery. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom panel. Carefully pry off the keyboard bezel using plastic opening tools to avoid scratches. Patience is crucial during this step to prevent damaging the device's plastic housing or internal components. Once the keyboard is accessible, gently lift the faulty keycaps using a spudger. Replace them with compatible replacement keycaps. Ensure the new keycaps are properly seated and aligned. For sticky keys, try cleaning the area beneath the keycap with compressed air or isopropyl alcohol, 90% concentration, before replacement. If cleaning and keycap replacement don't solve the issue, the keyboard membrane might be damaged. The membrane is the thin, flexible layer under the keys that registers presses. Consider replacing the entire keyboard membrane, which is available online for around $15. This involves removing the old membrane and installing a new one. If there is still an issue after membrane replacement, a full replacement of the keyboard can fix the problem. This replaces the entire keyboard assembly. Ensure to check model-specific guides for membrane replacement, as the process varies by device. Be extremely careful with ribbon cables during this process, as they connect the keyboard to the motherboard and can be easily damaged. After replacing the keycaps or membrane, carefully reattach the keyboard bezel by aligning it with the laptop frame and pressing it down gently to secure the clips. Next, reconnect any ribbon cables that were disconnected during disassembly. Ensure the cables are inserted straight and fully seated in their connectors to avoid connection issues. Now screw the bottom panel back into place using the same screws in their original positions. Tighten them evenly to prevent damage or misalignment. Power on the Chromebook and test all the repaired keys individually, pressing each one to ensure they register correctly and don't stick or double type. Use Chrome OS Recovery Mode to thoroughly test keyboard functionality by inserting a recovery USB and following the on-screen prompts, which require keyboard input. If issues persist, double-check ribbon cable connections for secure seating and keycap alignment to ensure they sit flat without gaps or tilts. When repairing your Acer Chromebook CB3 keyboard, always prioritize safety. Work on a clean, static-free surface to prevent damage from electrostatic discharge. Avoid forcing any components during disassembly or reassembly, as this can cause permanent damage to delicate parts like circuit boards and ribbons. Be aware that attempting DIY repairs may void your device's warranty, as indicated by the warranty void stickers found on many laptops. If you're not comfortable with the repair process or encounter difficulties, don't hesitate to seek professional help from certified technicians. The trend of DIY repairs is growing significantly due to cost savings and environmental concerns about reducing electronic waste. Looking ahead, keep an eye out for AI-driven diagnostic apps that can guide repairs in real time and potential official repair kits from manufacturers for legacy devices like the CB3. By being careful and resourceful, you can extend the life of your Acer Chromebook CB3, saving money and reducing environmental impact.